Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this simple vegetable soup. For today's recipe, I'll be using the red peppers, onions and some vegetable. Wow, we are 11 subscribers stronger. Thank you so much for watching my videos. God bless you all. This means a lot to me. I'm so happy. To cook my protein, I added salt, Maggi, pepper and seasoning powder. There's no need to add curry, thyme. It's just salt, pepper, seasoning powder, and that's all to make your vegetable soup. After boiling my proteins, I'm going to set it aside, and in a hot pan I added the palm oil. I'll allow the palm oil to get hot for some time. Then I'll go ahead to add the onions, the chopped onions, give it a mix just to fry the onions. While frying the onions, make sure that it's on a medium heat. Then after frying my onions, I'm going to add my blended crayfish. Adding this blended crayfish gives it very good flavor. After adding the blended crayfish, I'll stir for some minutes. Give it a very good stir so that all the ingredients can combine well. After stirring it for a good period of time, I will go ahead to add my salt. Now I'm adding just little salt, seasoning powder, and continue to mix. After that, I'll go ahead to add my blended pepper and onions. Vegetable soup is very easy to make. You don't need to do much and it's very healthy. Now after adding my blended onions and pepper, I'll give it a very good mix so that everything can combine well. Then I added my proteins because I'm going to cover it and allow everything to cook. Today's shout out goes to my amazing subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, and to my viewers, thank you so much for stopping by to watch my videos. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also share the videos and like the videos. I will also like to know how you make your vegetable soup. I added the meat stock and mixed to combine well. I would like to know where you are watching this video from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. Cover the pot and allow the ingredients to cook for 10 minutes. Then I added vegetable. For this recipe, you can choose to use any vegetable that you can find. For me, I used the kale leaf. Now I added the kale leaf and I will mix everything to combine well. I'm also using the spinach, but I added the kale leaf first because the kale leaf is a bit hard compared to the spinach. The spinach is so soft. Then after mixing, combining it, I will continue to mix well for up to 30 seconds. Then the last thing I'll be adding will be the spinach. The reason why I didn't add the spinach and the kale leaf together is because the spinach is quite soft, so I prefer to add the kale first, then the spinach. Right now I'm adding the spinach. After adding the spinach, I will combine everything, mix them very well. The spinach gets done easily and it's always very soft. And mixing everything on a medium heat. I love this soup so much because you can use it to eat anything. You can use it to eat rice, you can use it to eat swallow, you can use it to eat yam, you can use it to eat plantain, anything at all. Would love to know what you'll be pairing your vegetable soup with. As for me, I paired my vegetable soup with oat swallow. If you've not tried oat swallow before, I made a video on that, on how to make oat swallow. You can also watch the video and try your vegetable soup with oat swallow. It's so yummy. If you are still watching this video to this moment, this is the right time to subscribe to this channel, and this is also the right time to like this video and leave your comment in the comment section. Remember, when you subscribe, you are supporting me, and when you leave your comment, it will also make this video to get to the wider audience. Thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for leaving your comment. Yes, our vegetable soup is almost ready. Now for the final touches, I'm going to be adding my fish. The reason why I added the fish last is because I don't want it to break. So after adding the fish, I will just give it a good mix so that all the ingredients can sink into the fish and everything is going to combine well. You can choose to add your fish at any point, but the reason why I did not is for it not to break. I don't want it to pieces in the soup. So at this point, the vegetable soup is ready to be served, and this soup was so yummy. You see, making vegetable soup is very easy. It doesn't come with so much stress. It's very quick and very healthy to me. Thanks for watching today's video. See you in my next video. Bye.